Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. A boat running upstream takes 6 hours 12 minutes to cover a certain distance while it takes 2 hours to cover the same distance in running downstream. So what is the ratio between the speed of boat and the speed of stream? So in such question, first of all we will assume that the speed of boat is x and speed of stream is equal to y. Now we know that in upstream the speed is subtracted. So the upstream speed will be x minus y, because if we are going up, the speed of boat will be subtracted by speed of stream to get the upstream speed. Similarly, the downstream speed, in the downstream speed, what happens? The speed are added, the speed of boat and speed of stream. So x plus y is the speed. Since distance remains same, so whether we are going upstream or downstream, the distance remains same. So we can equate the distance, and we know that the distance formula is given by speed multiplied by time. Speed multiplied by time. So what we'll do is we'll equate the distance in upstream and the distance in downstream. So let us equate the distance. Distance is speed multiplied by time. So speed in upstream is x minus y and time is 6 hours 12 minutes. So let us convert 12 minutes into hours by dividing it by 60, and the distance in downstream will be speed is x plus y and time taken is 2 hours. So now let us simplify it to obtain a relation between x and y. So let us see what relation we obtain. So x minus y multiplied by, this is 31 by 5 is equal to 2x plus 2y. So if we cross multiply, means 5 is multiplied in the right hand side and 31 is multiplied by x minus y. So we'll get this value 10x plus 10y. Let's take x term together and take y term together. So the ratio x by y is 41 by 21, and x by y ratio is nothing but the speed of boat to the speed of stream, and this is asked in the question. So we can say that the required ratio is 41:21. So this is the answer.